Boston Retail Solutions knows retail construction. Our modular barricade system is hands down better than drywall, and we wanted to prove it. What's better than a side-by-side comparison? An actual retail environment was the perfect testing ground where two teams could work side by side, simultaneously. The traditional drywall and the Boston Retail Solutions team begin their layouts. The Boston Retail Solutions team of two raise their panels effortlessly and lock them securely into place. A typical drywall barricade requires multiple vendors to complete, including a framer, a drywaller, painter, a graphics printer, graphics installer, and demo. Without the need for cutting, sawing, or drilling, our team moves swiftly without creating a mess. Now that the BRS barricade is built, time for a little color. Our graphics are designed, printed, and installed in-house. Our modular barricade system is up and installed with graphics in one night. Let's just say, watching paint dry is not in our DNA. After 5 days, the drywall barricade is finally ready for graphics. And just when you thought we were done, now comes the breakdown. A drywall barricade like this could add over 1,300 pounds to the landfill. The BRS barricade is cleanly dismantled in preparation for the next deployment. Clean, easy, and sustainable. We are Boston Retail Solutions.